Really?
Before I start throwing.
Can I take a look in here? Awesome. How cute. What year is this?
1972.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at this, how spacious it is.
This is so cool.
Now, I had the table that comes with it, but it's very big and awkward. And I was like, yeah, no, I'm not going to fight it because it has nothing to do with the bed. So I took it out and I just bought a little folding table that I can fold up when I do the bed or put it outside so that way it's more adjustable.
Cool. How cute.
Yeah, a little bathroom.
Restroom in there.
Yeah, which I don't really use it as a black tank because yeah. And then lots of storage.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Oh,
yes. Very cool.
Closet on the other side here.
It's like real wood. And
It's all original.
that's
Everything
great.
in here's original.
Awesome.
Pantry here, major.
Man. It's just so spacious.
It is.
I know, that's why I was like, oh my god, this is so spacious.
All of this, all of that.
All this is
Storage.
original, yeah.
All
And then
of
I
this.
did this over here. And I kind of max out all that over there. So.
Wow.
And then the side over here, I just kind of have, that's like vegetables in that bag right there. So try to keep them cool.
Awesome.
Yeah. And original ice chest.
I love the green.
The avocado green.
The
Yeah.
avocado 70s.
No,
That
you
is
don't.
the original.
I-
It is a gas lantern. It's a Coleman gas lantern. I have not used it.
Oh,
I
wow.
think it needs the little, screen thing. And I haven't really come across one
Like
yet.
a mantle?
Is that what that's
Yeah.
called? Okay. And, okay.
Yeah.
I can Google that now. And
They sell them at Walmart.
I figured they did.
Yeah.
I just haven't come across them yet. But yeah, I haven't used it, but it's hooked up to the gas and it's supposed to be a light.
How neat.
And it's original to this.
Yeah.
Just like all of this, you can tell nothing's ever been done in here because it has all the original. I think this is called GIMP here. And that means that these are all the original wood. The countertop has like a little damage,
man.
but I
not bad.
found this. It's a little drying mat, so I just kind of put it on top.
I love it.
And then I added my little mermaid towel rack. Oh, you gotta see that.
Little
Been
beach.
there, chew that.
Yeah.
That's for Dexter.
I don't think she's talking about you, Dexter.
Yeah.
I really don't.
Yeah, she
No.
is.
And does your refrigerator work?
It's not a refrigerator, it's an ice box.
Finish an ice box.
So you
Yeah.
just
So
put
I got a cube thing down there, frozen cube thing, and I put ice in there, and I've got just a small ice chest here, and I have an Engel soft ice chest that's for the meat and everything. So,
that's great.
And does
An
your
actual
stove work?
ice
Oven
box.
work?
the oven, I haven't tried it. All the burners work. I haven't had the nerve yet to try the oven yet.
Yeah.
Someday.
Yeah. So how long have you had this?
3 months.
Oh, how fun.
I haven't had that long at all.
Wow, it looks so perfect.
I bet you walked in this and went, yeah.
Yep, this is it.
I did. It's kind of a funny story because I looked at campers like 3 weeks in a row. I almost bought a little 13-foot casita. It's just in really bad shape, and I called the guy. He was this nice old man. I go, that I even gave him a deposit for it. I go, it's just not the right for me. It was just like it was just too small. And I go, I know you don't have to give me back my deposit, but if you could, that'd be fantastic because it's $500. And he goes, are you sure? I go, yeah, it's just not going to work for me. And then my best friend Patty was with me when we went to look at it, and he took a shine to Patty. She's a real pretty lady, And and I was quiet all the way back on the road back to Dallas. And when I dropped Patty off, I'm like, nope, it's not right. I can't make it work. I called him up. Next day, drove back out, and I can't even tell you where I drove back out. It was out in East Texas. And drove back out. He got my money. He gave me all my deposit back. He goes, you know what? I shouldn't have showed it to you because this is too small for you and your best friend to go camping in. So here you go, and hand it right back to me.
Is it hard to tow?
It's, I have my Highlander there,
Yeah.
and it's rated for 5,000. This is only supposed to be 1,700. Okay, I find that hard to believe, but that's what the paperwork says. So it should be plain, but
Yeah.
and I got the Anderson tow sway hitch for it, which was pricey.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I feel like a little whooshy, but maybe that's the way it does feel when you're towing.
Probably. Yeah.
So I guess it's
It'll.
because I like my car too.
Yeah.
So
I love it so
my
much.
biggest hurdle is just backing her up,
Yeah.
and
Yeah, and that just comes with practice, I think.
I think so too.
I still can't back up a van, so ask Carol. She saw me try.
Well, did you see me?
You
was
should see
laughing
me
at me.
yesterday when I was backing this up.
Yeah.
It was not pretty. It was not pretty because somehow it came unhitched.
Oh no.
And I looked down and my tank was this, and
Oh,
hit
no.
my bumper, and I got a little boo-boo on my bumper.
Oh,
and
no.
I go, how did that happen? And so I had to bring her up again, and I was just like, oh,
How
my God.
bizarre.
But you know what? It's part of it.
Yeah,
I have to
yeah.
accept that it's not always going to be perfect.
Well, this is
So,
adorable.
Yeah, thank you for
Thanks.
showing us
I'm
around.
glad.
That's so
Like I
great.
said, I'm just amazed the space.
Yeah. Yeah, me
So,
too.
Sleeping, what do you,
What happens is center part right there,
The
it's
center?
a fold up, and it folds out, and then the cushions come down, and it
The
makes
little
a bed.
back cushions. Yep. Very cool.
And then up here is where I have this could be a sleeping quarters, and my best friend Patty has slept up here, that was fun.
Oh, because
yeah.
those little latches come.
Yeah. So this folds down.
Wow.
Right here. So this is like
okay.
A bunk bed.
Patty's a very little person.
but it was entertaining. Let me tell you, we had a lot of fun. That's why I have that right there, because she
so
climbs
great.
up here, climbs up there, and climbs in there, and she has to. I go, shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. I just made so much fun of her. We were
Just
laughing.
perfect. In the 70s, they thought of stuff like, room for shoes
Yeah,
out
this
the
was
door.
built by a farmer, and he built it for himself, original. And all his family liked it so much, so he made them for his family. And the next thing, everybody was asking for them, and so he started making these.
It became a
And,
company, huh?
A small company, and then another company bought him out. But yeah, this was just built by a regular person,
Uh-huh.
and pretty much
That
the floor
took
plan
pride in
changes a
his
little
work.
bit, yeah.
That's what you can definitely see.
Yeah.
I love it. This is a Roadrunner is the name of this. How totally cute. I love it so much. Reminds me of the 70s for sure. She said she pulls it with her Highlander. No problem. Neat, 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 neat.
Stay lost, my friends.
Stay lost, my friend.